There you go. Alright guys, we're back again. Brought the truck to the shop today. We're gonna put the front wheels on. Had this fun with the little Chevy LTZ ones. Put the front runners on today. Let it cool off. I hit it a few times on the way up here. Yep, time to put them on, see what they look like. Check out the new stickers. That's the little roll call we got right now. Go better look of the exhausting they did from the back of the turbo. Because if you remember on the old truck had it was a complete kit. So here one had the little piping and everything. This one, I think he took it to Juniors and they did it. It could be a little better on the welds, no lie. My boy Jesus do better on welds than that, but it is what it is. Later on I'm gonna try to get it all fabricated anyway, so it is what it is, just to give you a better idea of how the turbo kit's running. There you go, finally put together, almost complete, not quite complete, but as far as the outside, I'm done. Front runners on. These are not for sale, so don't ask. Still missing my, I think I'm gonna do either the Breezy sticker right there or the Extreme LSX sticker right there. If both can fit there, we'll put both, but we'll see. All I gotta say is this bitch is skating. When I say skating, this motherfucker is skating. I did a few passes earlier. I didn't get this shit fixed though. This shit is horrible. Fucking tears coming up. Oh, somebody dropped their car. I don't know if it's real or fake, but somebody dropped it. Tell me y'all thoughts, comment down below what y'all think about it. Y'all think y'all like this setup better? Y'all like the big ones better? Y'all let me know. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, got the truck out today. We got the truck running. Boost is working now, the gauge is working now. Got everything tightened up. Now we're having the issues with oil. So, I don't know if it's when I get into boost or what, but after I, like say if I do it like a little pool or get into a boost, after I get out of it, the oil shoots out from what we've seen. There's the oil drain bolt, and it hits the little crossover to the turbo kit, and it burns it. It smells like oil. The smokes come from under. The first time I seen that shit, it scared the hell out of me. So we just gotta order a new bolt. I got it at the shop, so I'm gonna put it on. So today we're gonna take it and go get that put on. Hopefully it fits. Hopefully it fixes the problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, then we gotta get a whole new oil pan. So she is down running. Like I said, besides that, there's really no other issues. We're limited, like I said, we're still limited to a certain amount of boost because we're still on the 460, but other than that, she's working now. Alright, now we're headed to the shop. Sorry if it's a little loud in here. The exhaust is right under the cab, so it's more than likely gonna be a little loud. We'll record. Normally don't record in the truck, but I'll do a little pull for y'all just to see, show y'all how it's running. Like I said, it's running good. Both gauges are working good. Only we still got the check engine light. It's still warming up, so it's not wanting to stay on right now, but I do need alignment. My steering wheel is crooked as fuck. There goes my lunch for today. Sandwich. I forgot I didn't even have no cheese, so just turkey and fucking mustard and bread with that little cookie. So life of building a turbo truck. I don't know, it seems like I'm smelling fucking coolant right now. I'm gonna check that out. What the fuck you doing, man? light pull for y'all. There's no brake boost, just getting on it. Not all the way in it, about halfway throttle. Bro, what the fuck are you doing up there? That zero boost. It cruises pretty good. I will pass this lady, but my exit's coming up, so ain't no point. Oil pressure good. Fuel good, even though the leveling center is backwards. Okay, so we're at the shop. Oh shit, some steep ass stairs. Oh! See, so there goes the issue right there. Just like I say, when I go into boost, it leaks. Like it slowly leaks, but it leaks. So that's the problem. And it shoots back on the exhaust. And so when I'm sitting, it burns on the exhaust, makes a whole bunch of smoke come out. As you can see, it's quite a bit that came out on the exhaust already. See? So we need to get that fixed because it's going all over on the transmission and everything. So we do need to get that fixed. We're gonna try to see if this new bolt will help. It looks like maybe a little bit up there too. Might have to see if we can tighten those a little bit more. But yeah, that's the issue I'm having right now. As far as that, other than that, just running. But see, it's like, oh, all up in there and everything. So I need to get all that checked. And when we were having the boost issue, the issue was this right here. This coupler right here that came up loose. So it was just sitting there hanging and I didn't see it because the fog light's right there in front of it. So we got that fixed and tightened up the rest of it. But yeah, hopefully that's what's needed to fix this, and then I can go do some pulls, some actual racing. But we'll go from there. It looks like this control arm's lower than that control arm. You need to get that checked out. But then again, at the same time, this part's bent, this part's not. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get that checked out also.
See, they want about it from a hood dealership and they got a haircut. They show you go.
Oh, fuck. They about told us some shit.
Damn, I'm going straight to the car. Just go home, bro. They don't make it. Wait till the top. Hey, he's going to check his truck. God. Hey, you better skip this morning. You're gonna rain. Pedro's like, I'm coming this way. Should you give me your video?
Doing what?
A donut.
Do a donut.
Okay, I'll do it over there though. I'm in this great Mustang over here. Hold on. Oh, this guy's my knowledge. On Daytona. Eat something. Ready for me, Kendrick? I'm gonna do it around you though.
You gonna do it around me? Hell no, don't do that shit.
Lay down.
Park that thing. Hey, go home. Go home. To a Supra, nigga. Yeah. Oh shit, you about to? Oh shit. You about to get the big bitch in here.
If he's swinging no rocket, oh shit! He gonna try him. Oh, shit!
I don't know about, yeah, I don't know about that one.
Damn!
He motherfucking charger up. I'm good, bro.
You gotta do a burnout. He good for just a burnout. I'm over here. Oh, this nigga told that bitch already.
Salud, mi rey.
We almost got ran over earlier. Whole family in the minivan.
This pack, man. I haven't been here a few years already.
Shit, they said we late. They said it was lit as fuck earlier. Damn! Fucking shit.
If I go over there, I feel like I'm gonna get hit.
That's why we came back over here. Damn!
Okay.
You gonna be out there ran over in the fucking street, nigga.
Damn, the cubs all out. Crazy.
Spin that shit!
Oh! I quit, nigga, you gonna
Okay.
Spin that shit for the two, nigga! Ah! He say he parked that bitch front row, nigga. With the family. With the family in that hole. Okay.
Nah, that dude's ain't
How you gonna let them niggas do you like that, nephew?
that dude's ain't gonna do nothing.
Hell no.
That's right.
Oh shit. Hey.
Do it for two, man.
Spin it again. Spin it again. Do it again.
Little young nigga. Don't tell this nigga trying this shit again though.
Really trying.
He tried this shit earlier. Is that Coco again? Oh fuck! Spin that! Oh! Them niggas tripping over there. Oh, fuck. Right in the grass, dumbass. And the little nigga in the silver truck almost ran into the grass right now.
Keep going, keep going.
Nigga say he's spinning smoke signal.
Damn. Have fun.
That damn key. I knew it because he had stocks. I was like, yeah, he's gonna do it.
Oh, fuck.
All these niggas scraping their splitter.
Walk that bitch. Hey, that nigga walking now. He walking. Oh, damn. That nigga walking that bitch. Hey. some water. Hey, hold on. Let him get some water or something. I know you can burn it. There you go. Hump it, nigga. Hump it, nigga. Hey, it's like, hey, rock hands on this bitch. Hold on.
Oh, they gonna need some?
Hey!
Hey! Get it.
What the hell? I heard a turbo.
Oh, that nigga said, I'm gonna walk it again.
Right
oh, hold on.
Right here.
That tire, your front tire flat.
I know you can run it. Come on, Rod. For the one time.
Trying or what?
Get my leg.
But they have tires and exhaust. Right here. Spin that shit. Right here. You. Come on. Woo. Damn. Gotta keep it straight though, nigga.
Right here. Aquí, get my leg. Aquí mero, free. Get my leg. It's a pork fucking race. Oh, shit. I like, oh, what's that? Y'all can listen to them. Yeah,
Hey.
bad bitch.
Oh. Damn, nigga. Hey, ducky. This nigga's on that ducky. Oh, that's why his damn exhaust right here.
Burn the V6.
What the fuck? Hey, y'all ain't sideways trucking. That bitch better get sideways.
That nigga right there in the truck gonna do it, what? Look. All right, sideways, that's what they're meant for. I want to get over there. Right here. 3, 2. He just burned out.
Nah, the Chevy right here, fuck. This nigga right here, fuck this shit. This nigga coming back up.
Hey, here he come right here. Hey, here he come right there. Hey, Johnny, our rear ends are whining tonight. Except my mama. They finna rob him. Oh, shit, he gonna throw rocks. If he doesn't, he gonna throw rocks if he says I wish you would, nigga. We got the new insurance. Nigga, you know damn well
I'm finna fuck a nigga up.
Oh, what? Damn.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Damn, nigga. There she go. Shit, shot.
Where's she going?
Cops come from that way, I'm going that way.
No, they always coming that way.
Oh. They just turn the other way here, bro. They don't care right here. They don't show up nothing. Till like the end.
Oh, I know what that is.
Oh, come on. Come on, Adrian. You ain't gotta do it.
I'm telling your daddy.
This nigga.
What the fuck?
You know how much editing these niggas gotta do now?
Yeah.